Waste management service in Twin Cities. Are you tackling a home cleanup or a major renovation in the Twin Cities? Say goodbye to waste worries with Done Right Dumpsters. We specialize in providing high-quality, convenient roll-off dumpsters to help you manage waste with ease. Our roll-off dumpsters come in multiple sizes to fit your specific needs, whether you're cleaning out a basement, taking on a landscaping project, or overseeing a construction site. Our goal is to deliver quick, dependable service every step of the way, from your initial call to prompt delivery and hassle-free pickup. Our team is dedicated to helping you choose the right dumpster for your job and scheduling a delivery that works around your timeline. We pride ourselves on fast delivery and secure placement, making sure the dumpster is exactly where you need it, without damaging your driveway or property. We work around your schedule, ensuring timely drop-offs and pickups to keep your project on track. Done Right Dumpsters is committed to responsible waste disposal and eco-friendly practices. We ensure that your waste is disposed of responsibly, recycling as much as possible to reduce landfill waste. Don't let clutter and debris slow down your project. For reliable waste management service in the Twin Cities, trust Done Right Dumpsters to keep things running smoothly. Give us a call at 612-403-5999 today, and let us make waste disposal the easiest part of your project.